Hey everybody, Willi Schmidt here. I'm standing next to my trophy tree just kind of looking at some of the European mounts that I've had over the years. And even though there's several species here, I think one of the coolest species that displays so well is the pronghorn. Just with the white skull, the dark horns. And the coolest thing about having these all here is the stories that they tell. I know that's why we as hunters hang all the stuff in our trophy rooms that we do, is the memories that they tell from the specific hunts. And this trophy tree is no exception with these pronghorn. And I hadn't hunted them in years, went back to Wyoming after a friend invited me, got this one after several years of not hunting pronghorn. Then I went to New Mexico in back-to-back years, got both of these. But the one I'm most proud of, and the one that I have most fond memories of, is this little guy here, the smallest pronghorn buck I've ever shot. But the story is an awesome one in that we had just moved to Montana and it was our new home state, and I hunted with my daughter. We'd been putting in for a couple of years into a draw area, and she was attending Montana State. We planned this hunt. It had been a tough 2 winters actually, back-to-back years, and the quality and quantity was down, but we had a phenomenal time just spending time in the field together, father-daughter, and we made an episode out of it called Speed Goats Under the Big Sky. So I hope you enjoy it. There were some trials and tribulations, as a lot of hunts have, but we had a great time. I've got this one to show for it, and that is the memory that I will remember from this hunt, is not the quality of the buck, but the memories that I had with my daughter Samantha in the field. So I hope you enjoy Speed Goats Under a Big Sky.